Welcome back to this channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is KAREN ROACH. For more information about me, please check the description box below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified of more readings from the Jamaican New Testament every morning at 5 a.m. Jamaican time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me I go read from Matthew 6, verses 19 to 24, and the topic is treasure where go last long. Nobody gather up treasure for oneself where they are so on earth. You see yaso? Worm and them sitting there, we come nyam up, uno sitting them. And then we get rusty and mash up. Plus teeth there. And then we come broke in and take where uno sitting them. What uno fi do? A pile up uno treasure up a heaven. No worm no there so. Them now go get rusty and mash up, and on teeth no dead if it broke in, and teeth uno sitting them. Cause anyway, uno treasure there, a deso uno art set. So that uno go think about all the while. The eye them are like lamp, and then we give the whole body light. So if you eye them good, your whole body will full of light. So uno will see good what uno a do in every part of uno life. But if uno eye no good, then the whole body now go knock up. Cause if the sitting where you give uno light dark, then Lord a massy man, uno well dark then. Nobody can serve two masters. You will hate one and love the other one. Or you will run go do anything where one want, but not two business with the other one. Uno can serve God and money. This is God word in the Jamaican language. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.